Good morning, everyone. Best regard to all. My name is John Quintero. Below, I show what learning in this course, Colombian education. In this part, vision of bilingual education, recognition of language and cultures and identities. Uh, Continue education and language politics, Colombia. Process inclusion and exclusion. In this part, it says education in Colombia. On the education system with a clear learning expectations, we have to be Colombia. The state of the language learning in Colombia. These are rules of English as an education in Colombia. Here, this picture, Colombian education, uh, contains all we can do as a teacher, as a student. The importance of starting a strong education of children. Training challenge in foreign language English. Continue in this part it says learning, teaching and evaluation. It's developing strength and learning feedback. Psycholinguistics of bilingualism is a clear concept of bilingualism depending on context. Globalization and language education in Colombia is equitable and improvement plan. I think so. Awareness of education system in Colombia is a second language. Also, capacity building as a teacher in Colombia. Colombian education plays an important role in politics, culture, and arts. But at time like minor development of own cultural roots allow us a feedback and a better process of learning the English language. I believe that an equitable plan for an entire society is a better development of a teaching and learning of a second language. We must really think about this. I say goodbye, a sentence, let us and share our skills. Thank you so much. Goodbye.